Well, hello again and welcome to another amazing puzzle solving technique where it's another miscellaneous puzzle where I can ask you any question just to derive a number. So that's how simple it is at this stage because I haven't yet reached the more advanced stage where every single thing I do I need an equation. But for now we are just going to use our wisdom. Now it says 11D, which means 11 numbers are in the diagram. It needs 9 more numbers to complete the diagram. 9V, so 9 of those numbers will be visible. So definitely there will be no missing number. 0M means no missing number. So I normally indicate it with a dash. I won't put 0 because it's going to say 0 is a missing number and I do not want to mislead anyone. So I just put a dash. 1R mean of all the 10 questions, the puzzle will reject one of the numbers, so it will be a reject number. So let us get straight into it. What is the difference between 24 and 13? Difference simply means subtract. So I say 24 subtract 13, simple, 11. What is the product of 4 and 3? Product means multiply. So 4 times 3, simple, 12. What is the sum of 3 and 1.5? What is the sum of 3 and 1.5? Sum in mathematics means addition. So I add 3. Remember, every number has a point. I put the point there and I can put a 0. 1.5, it has its point already, so I put 1.5 and I add point on the point. Remember, you have to put point on the point. So add 5, 3, and 1, 4. So the answer to 3 and 1.5 is equal to 4.5. Now, this one say the quotient of 15 divided by 3. Quotient simply means the result or the answer. So we have to say the quotient of 15 divided by 3 simply means how many times can I get 3 from 15? That's 5. Which number has the least value? 2.5 over 1. 2.5 over 1 is the same as 2.5 because every number is over 1. So 2.5, I can just leave it at 2.5. Once it's over 1, it has the same value. 6.5, 10 over 2. 10 over 2 is a fraction and it does mean how many times can I get 2 from 10, and that's 5. So which number has the least value? 2.5, 6.5, or 5? 2.5. This question says if 14 plus n plus 5 equal 22, this symbol signifies therefore. Whenever you see this triangle 3 dots, it simply means therefore. So therefore n equals, so if 14 plus 5 is 19, what do I add to 19 to get 22? And that would be the answer for n. It would be 3. So I can simply say, now I know that n is equal to 3. I can say 14 plus 3 plus 5 equals 22. And that makes the equation correct. Now this question says 1 decade is equal to p years. Sign goes again. Therefore p equal. Remember, 1 decade is 10. A decade is increments of 10. So if I ask for 1 decade, I mean 10. So now I know that 1 decade is 10. I can say 1 decade is equal to 10 years. So therefore P is equal to 10. This question says add 18.5 and 21.5. Remember, put point on the point. It's simple. 21.5. I normally put the bigger number at the top. 18.5 and add 2, 5, 10. Carry 1. Remember, point on the point. In your answer, also put the point. 8, 9, 10. 0. Carry 1. 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 40.0. But with the 0 after the point, it has no value. So I can just call this 40 and you do not have to put the point. What number comes exactly between 31 and 32? Remember, we have an equation that we could use, but for now we are only using our wisdom. What number comes exactly between 31 and 32? 31.5. In time to come, we'll use the formula, but for now we are just using our wisdom. What is 4% of 100? Percentage is expressed over 100, 4%. This is 4%, 4 over 100 of, just simply mean multiply 100, and I can put 100 over 1 because it doesn't matter. And I can just cancel these hundreds. So the only thing that remains is 4 over 1, which is the same as 4. So what is 4% of 100? 4. Now there we go. So we are now going to look for 9 of the numbers to fit perfectly in this puzzle. First we see a clue here where we have 3 terms. 0 has no value, 16 and 2, that would be 18. So how much more do I add to 18 to get 23? It is 5. Look over here, 5 must be there because there is no missing number, and I get rid of 5. Now the first term is 5, second term is missing, third term 17, fourth term 23. We're just using our wisdom. We're not using any formula at this time. We're just using our wisdom, seeing this is counting down by 6. So 23 subtract 6 is 17, subtract 6, 11. 11 subtract 6 is 5. So there we go. Eliminate 11 over there. And put 11 in the diagram. Now, we see this ring starts with 16. Second term is 14. Third term is 12. Fourth term is missing. So what do we see there? Using our wisdom, we are counting down by 2, 16, 14, 12, 10. Remember, we can use a formula, but at this moment, I'm not using the formula. We are just only using our wisdom. I plug 10 there, and I get rid of 10 over here. Now, this fourth sector should add to 48.5. 3 terms in it, 23 plus 10, that would be 33. 33 plus 3.5, that would be 36.5. So what do I add to 36.5 to get 48.5? 5, subtract 5, 0. Put your point. Remember, put your point. 8 take away 6, that's 2. 4 take away 3. So the answer is 12.0, and I can just say 12. You do not have to put the point 0 because it has no value. Now, this outer ring starts 0, x, 8, 12. Obviously, we are counting down by 4. Or to start here, we are counting up by 4. So I can just simply put 4. Now, with the numbers significantly reduced, it gets much easier. This ring starts with 2. There's that 2 empty spaces and 3.5. I'm gonna trust these two numbers because it seems as if we are counting up by 0.5. So I'm gonna put 2.5, and I'm gonna put 3. So we get rid of 2.5 and 3. So this is 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. We are counting up by 0.5. Now let us add this third sector. 17 plus 3 is 20. 12 plus 8 is also 20. So adding that, we get 40. And as usual, we look for the number over here and eliminate it. Now for this second sector, we have 14 and 4, that's 18, plus 11, that's 29, plus 2.5, 5, get 31.5. 31.5, 31.5. So there we have it. We get 31.5. The only number the puzzle did not use is 4.5. So that obviously is the reject number. So thank you very much. As the puzzle gets progressively harder, we are just only using our wisdom. Every equation that we use, every statement, we just use our wisdom, but we have formulas for everything that we use. So as the puzzle gets progressively harder, I want you to hang on in there, keep studying, keep maintaining your cool. Thank you. Bye.